In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download wallpaper from Pinterest desktop. First, open your favorite web browser on your computer and head to pinterest.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access search and your saved content. The desktop site works the same across most modern browsers, so feel free to use whichever you prefer. To find a new wallpaper, use the search bar at the top. Type in what you're looking for, things like minimalist desktop wallpaper, nature landscape 4K, or abstract blue background. Press enter to see results, then scroll until something catches your eye. Take your time here. Pinterest aggregates images from all over the web, so you'll often find several versions or styles of the same theme. If you already saved a design you liked earlier, you can get to it quickly from the sidebar. Click the boards icon on the left to open your profile area, then choose Pins to see everything you've saved. This view is perfect when you remember saving a great wallpaper but don't want to dig through fresh search results again. When you spot the image you want, click it to open the full pin. Opening the pin gives you a larger, cleaner preview and helps you judge whether the picture is crisp enough for your screen. If you're aiming for a sharp desktop background, look for images that appear clear even when enlarged. Now you're ready to download. Move your mouse over the image, right-click, and choose Save Image As. Your browser will prompt you to pick a location on your computer. Select a folder you can find easily. Downloads or a dedicated wallpapers folder works well. You can also rename the file to something descriptive like Forest Sunrise 4K, so it's simple to identify later. Leave the file type as it appears, typically JPG or PNG, and click Save. After the download finishes, open your file manager to confirm the image is there. If your browser doesn't immediately offer Save Image As, try opening the pin and waiting a second for it to fully load, then right-click again. Some pins take a moment before the high-quality preview appears. That's it. Your wallpaper is now saved on your desktop. You can use it right away or keep exploring for more options. Remember to respect creators' rights and use images according to their stated permissions. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed desktop look.